So the kids are out of school. All right, groceries going up, things is going crazy. We got to come up with a way to make six figures this summer 2026. And so I was over here playing around on Printify, helping one of my clients with an idea, and I thought about it. I got an idea for you on how you can make six figures this summer with a very easy idea. Even if you don't have any money to start, if you got $0 right now, you can do this. I'm going to walk you through step by step, me, you, and Printify, and we're going to do it. All right, we're going to start today. You don't have any more excuses. Get your laptop out, get your phone out, and let's begin. First things first, you need to create a Printify account if you don't already have one. Comment Printify. I will send you my link. And if you do have a Printify account already, then go ahead and log in. Let's get in there. And here is the idea that we are creating today. Matching t-shirts, right? This is gold in the summer. All right, everybody wants to match. We got family vacations, family reunions, birthdays, trips on the way. Girls. These look like AI people. It probably is. We got people getting married, bride crew. So hopefully you get the point. We are creating a way for you to get people to buy a bunch of your shirts or your products at the same time. So log in to Printify and let's get started. We're inside of one of my Printify accounts and we are going to get started by going to catalog. Now, Printify has over 1,000 products, so you have a lot to choose from. They even have back to school ready for you. They got 4th of July ready for you. They got Summer of Soccer 2026, okay? Printify is always going to tell you what's trending, so you don't have to guess. However, I want you to go through, see what it is that you like. There is so much to offer, but we're going to just start with a t-shirt, right? Because obviously for matching family stuff, people love a good t-shirt. So we're going to grab this one since it is first. This is the Comfort Color 1717 that everybody is liking right now. The girlies love it. So let's choose this one. I'm going to select bright salmon because it's the summer, so why not? But there are a lot of fun summer colors that you can choose from. And we're going to come over here. As you can see, you can upload a design. So if you already have a logo, you already have something that people may want to match in, just upload it and put it right here. You got AI, they'll create something for you and they already have templates ready to go. These are some of mine that I've created. They got text. You got stuff already ready. Okay, my library, again, other brands that I have made. So let's see. What do we want to do? I want to create. Okay, I'm going to just use this as an example. Okay. Let's see. All right, so let's say this was for my family. Let's say I'm doing a family shirt and I'm gonna just put it's a Lee Day, okay? Boom. I have just created a shirt that all the Lees will wanna buy. Now, again, you can play around with this. You can come up with the different names. Or like I said, if you have a brand that people want to wear and match with, this will also work. So I have had people wear 25 girl plus guy shirts at the same time if they have an event to go to. So if you have a brand that people want to wear, you can do that. Or you can create something like this for people. And let me show you how you're really going to get to your six-figure goal this summer. We're going to save our shirt. Period. We got our mock-ups. Okay. You can save a bunch and make everybody family. You can order a sample for yourself and take your own pictures. Okay. I don't know. Okay, there I go. Save selection for your mock-up. And you can also select multiples. I just selected one. You can select a ton of them and go crazy. Like I said, I always suggest get a sample of it, take a picture of it with yourself, your family, your friends, so that it has like a different vibe to it, right? All right, so we have our stuff already populated for us because the AI is built right in. So you have that. I will put like family, no, I can't spell. Family reunion, funny t-shirt, personalized design, whatever. So they put all of this in here for you so you don't have to worry. I always add a size table so that people know what they're putting on. As you can see, it has care instructions, product features, all of that. And then here is how you are going to make that extra money this summer. You're just going to let people come up with their own design, right? And you can do this and create designs for families, friends, birthdays, weddings, bridal showers, everything that you want to do. And you can do this with t-shirts and a lot of the other products. So, like I said, look around the catalog, see what it is that you like, see what you're drawn to, see who your audience that you already kind of community that you're already in, like what you guys like and love. But I'm sure you may be going to a family reunion, a birthday party this year, something. So as you can see, they are helping you with the price, and then you will connect a store. So something like this is going to be really great for Etsy to get to that goal this summer. Etsy does have a small fee that you have to pay up front to connect your Printify to Etsy. So if you are starting right now and you don't have any type of budget, I would suggest you use the Printify pop-up store. You will literally get your link right away. You can send that link to your friends and family. As you can see, it is right here. You don't need a website, anything. You can launch your pop-up store. Here is Etsy. You can do that. If you are ready to make 6, 7, 8, 9 figures, you can do it on Shopify. We even got TikTok Shop, all right, where you can get other people to sell it for you. So they have helpful tips and tricks in here for you. So you can watch that if you need some help. This little bubble right here is for customer service if you run into any issues. I know some of you are like, hey, I'm trying to upload my design. Can you help me with this? Without me actually seeing it, it's a little bit harder to help you. So go ahead and reach out to Printify support. They are great. They will help you. And they have all kind of stuff in here, resources and helpful guides and all of that, right? So if you have any questions about how to get started in Printify today, let me know in the comments. You can also let me know if you need my Printify link. I will send that over to you. Just say Printify. And I cannot wait to see your new store for the summer. Make sure you send me the link so that I could come check it out and maybe get something from you for me and my family. All right. Love you guys. See you in the next video.